In this video, I'll show you how to buy XRP on Binance. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up your Binance app and log into your account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll drop a link down below in the description that will give you $100 in trading fee rebates. The first way you can buy XRP is the simplest. It's also most expensive. We're just going to go right here to the top right hand corner and click on Add Funds. Then we're going to select the first option, which is buy with USD. If you don't have USD, just click on the arrow next to USD and select your local currency from this list. Then we're going to go down right here to where it says buy, and we're going to select XRP. Go to the search bar and type in XRP. Then select your payment method. These are the options that come up for me. Add your card. After you fill out this information, you click on confirm. Then it'll allow you to proceed with your transaction. The second way to buy XRP is assuming you already have crypto in your wallet. You're just going to go right over here into your spot account, find the pair you're looking for by simply searching XRP at the top. These are the trading pairs available. You have XRP Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, TUSD, USDC, USDT. For this example, we're going to use USDC. Once you've selected your pair, it will give you the option to select the amount of XRP you want to buy. For example, if you put in 15 XRP, that will cost you $36.25 USDC. You can also use the slider here to select how much of your USDC you would like to trade into XRP. Or down here, you can just enter the amount of USDC you want to trade into XRP. For example, 10 USDC will give you 4 XRP. Then you're just going to scroll down and click on Buy XRP. And now you've successfully purchased XRP using this method. Another option you could use is to convert whatever crypto asset you currently have, such as USDT, USDC, Bitcoin, or Ethereum, and convert it into XRP. To do this, we're going to go back to the home page and click on More at the top right-hand corner. We're going to scroll down to Trade and click on Convert. And you can convert it down here by selecting the crypto you want to convert it to. For this example, we're going to do XRP. Enter the amount you want to convert from your current crypto into XRP, then just tap on Trade. You can also select one of the options down below. If you want to convert 25% of your asset, 50, 75, or 100 into XRP. Once you've done that, just click on Trade. Now you successfully converted your crypto asset into XRP. And that's how to buy XRP on Binance.